Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Today,
afternoon.
we are now in the introduction to biochemical techniques. So, mid-late lang yung basic techniques. So, in this, biochemical techniques are used for our, in the science field to study about the hormones like biomolecules like hormones, coenzymes, and enzymes. These techniques used by scientists to know and to study further about this kind of biomolecules that only these techniques can help to study about biomolecules. Next, we have the spectrophotometry. So, in this technique measures the light to absorb the substances of biomolecules like hormones, enzymes, or coenzymes. And also, by this, it determines on how many amount of that particular vitamins in a sample that used for laboratory observations or by the observations in the field of science to study further about that kind of biomolecules by the use of spectrophotometry. Next, we have the chromatography. So in the chromatography, the use of this is that to separate the mixtures or to isolate so that we could identify the specific biomolecules like hormones, coenzymes, and enzymes. So by this, we could study on that particular example, the hormones. So there, coenzyme as an enzyme. So in the enzymes, there are different kinds of enzymes. So by this, we could use this to separate and analyze on what in that particular vitamins kung unsa ang naana or unsa na ang klase nga enzymes, if enzymes ang imong gistudihan as a researcher or a developer about that kind of samples. Next, we have the electrophoresis. So in this, it also separates but the charge of molecules like proteins and nucleic acids. By this, it allows us to study the hormone binding on the proteins, enzymes, cofactors, and vitamins dependent on the enzymes. So we could study more depend because of this kind of techniques like electrophoresis. Next, we have the PCR techniques. We are familiar with these PCR techniques because it is common in the field of science like chemistry and biology. So in this, it allows the researchers or us, a student, to study about the genes that regulate on the hormones production, enzymes requiring the coenzymes or proteins involved in the vitamins metabolisms. So if we study about the metabolisms on how the enzymes, coenzymes help on that part in our as a human to sustain our life, so we could use this PCR techniques on study on that particular study. Now we have the enzyme assays. So in assays, it measures the activity of enzymes. So on that enzymes, if there is activity, so by these assays, we could study or observe on what are the activity inside that enzymes under dependence on coenzymes, while also evaluating the effect of vitamins or hormones in metabolic reactions. So if there is a reaction or metabolic reactions, we could use this assay to observe or to know or to evaluate what are kind of vitamins, hormones, or enzymes and coenzymes in our metabolism. Now we are in the application of research. So by those techniques, we could use those techniques in research, like to discuss about inside in the laboratory. We could use those techniques to know or to investigate the functions of vitamins, coenzymes, and hormones. These are also the big impact or has essential towards us to study or in the study of metabolic pathways and their regulations. So through research, through this we could research and we could observe or to focus on developing the new diagnostic tools or other new researchers about on what are the topics that